So basically I am a DOP. It's called cinematographer नहीं बोल सकता, DOP is something different, cinematographer is different. तो I work as a DOP here. DOP का काम होता है कि you shoot it, you shoot the video as per your director want or as per the script demands. तो बेसिकली मेरा प्रोसीजर तब शुरू होता है वंस द स्क्रिप्ट इज़ डन एंड डायरेक्टर इज़ ऑन बोर्ड एंड ही इज़ प्लानिंग फॉर द प्रोडक्शन. उस टाइम पे मैं जॉइन इन हो जाता हूँ यहाँ पे बेसिकली, एंड विद डायरेक्टर आई विल सिट विद him for the visual mood or visual, how the frame should be, how the visual should be, how the lighting should be, and how the framing, continuity, all these things. How, so I will be sitting with the director for the costume colors, for the color sense. Then with the editor also I will be sitting so that we can plan it how the shots you want or extra shot something you required. But basically I do this, and then I will sit with the graphic people also, like if we have a graphic shoots, what you want us to do something, if you want us to do something like this so that it will be easier for you to implement that thing. तो ये सब मैं करता हूँ. उसके बाद then I will sit with the DI artist also when after the shoot or before that also, if you want me to, if I have to achieve this kind of color tone, तो तुम्हें क्या चाहता हूँ, मतलब what you want me to shoot it, like what lighting or anything you prefer. So that is easier for me to work on the production time, because director will have one mood of things, DI artist, everything, because all these people are the baseline for your project. तो मैं जब सीजन्स या फिर सीरीज़ करता हूँ, शोज़ करता हूँ, तो आई डू ऑल दिस थिंग्स. बेसिकली आई विल जॉइन विद द डायरेक्टर का शॉर्ट डिविजन्स करता हूँ, शीन डिविजन्स करता हूँ, लोकेशन हंट पे जाता हूँ, वी प्लान द लोकेशंस एवरीथिंग. देन द शूट डे, we shoot, we light it up accordingly, and under me there will be an assistant DOP also, assistant cameraman also, and there will be like 4-5 lightmen and one grapher also, with whom I have to narrate like how the storytelling we are planning and how the lighting we are planning. According to that, I'll tell him that which lights we required, what types of light, where and all it should get, and the grapher will set it up according to that. Then we shoot it accordingly, track shot, close-up shots, whatever it is, and eventually it goes to the edit table. Editor will edit, then we'll grade, and it gets released.